I will now add a Google Map to a DIY website page. That will be my home page. I'll go to the admin panel. I'll select my home page, and this will give me the edit mode of the home page. Then I will use that plus sign on the right to add map in between the contact form and that image, and I'll use map. This will add the map on the page, but I have to additionally edit it using that pencil button here and specify my address. I will just paste the address that I want here, and if Google finds the place, it will just display it here. Save, then publish the page, and the map is there. If I open the page in live mode, the map is there.